Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Gray Wolf 27RR Black Label. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see even at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have your two 20-pound LP tank bottles that have the hard shell cover with the quick access lid, and those will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have your Group 27 deep cycle marine battery on board already. We do have the juice pack option, which means there's a 100-watt solar panel on the roof and the battery that comes with it. Diamond plate rock guard, we have your curved radius front end here. Part of the Black Label package is you get the deep tinted frameless windows, the fiberglass exterior, all LED lights, and then also a couple upgrades on the inside. We have the magnetic door catches that come with it. Lots of storage up front here. As you can see, the spare tire comes with it. We have your solar charger inside there. And this also comes with electric jacks. So we will have electric jacks in the front and the back. And how that works, there will be a switch underneath here, and you just hold that button down, and one leg will come down first, and the other one will come down, and they will equal out in pressure. And that is to stabilize the camper for you. We have this really neat holographic light here, which has the wolf head emblem. So at nighttime, you can see that really illuminates, pops, and it's a really cool feature that they've added to it. We also have this 15-foot power awning with the blue LED accent light underneath. Each arm is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning there. We have this deep tinted, this tempered glass entrance door. Really nice look, really makes the whole camper pop itself. We have your entrance steps here with the wolf emblem also built into that. Oversized grab handle. As you can see, the entrance door also has a full-size screen door and a window that's built into it as well. Nice outside kitchen. We have your mini fridge, ice maker, water source, and the griddle. The griddles are great, multi-purpose. You could do a lot of different things on there. We also have the Black Label emblem here that lights up. Outside speakers that light up blue, along with your entertainment center with your connections and the TV bracket. It's the same TV bracket on the inside. So you simply lift your TV up, bring it out here, and drop it in. We have your furnace vent down below. And one thing I'd like to point out as well with the outside kitchen, there's a gas quick disconnect underneath there. So that grill just taps right into the camper and you use the gas on the camper as well. We have the center cap popped off. This is the quick easy lube axles. All four wheels also have self-adjusting brakes, and we have a tire pressure monitoring system. How that works, the side of this is green. If you're low on air, that'll turn red. So we'll unscrew that to show you a visual. And you can just walk around before you head for your next destination to make sure you're good on air. We have your black tank flush here, so when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you simply hook up your water hose there, and that will blast out the black tank for you. We have your entrance door right into the garage. As you can see, it's the exact same tempered glass door there. As we move to the back, we are pet friendly. We have your leash latch here, so the furry family members can tag along as well. Since it's the toy hauler, we have the ramp door patio system all set up for you. As you can see, a lot of extended living space here, really opens everything up, get a lot of airflow. Up top, you have your LED light, as well as a backup camera that comes with it as well. We do have ventilation, so you'll have two of these on the camper so you can get cross ventilation as you're traveling down the road. That way, if you're hauling something with fumes, you can keep it aired out. Up top, we also have a prep for a ladder, so you can buy that separately and have a roof ladder for maintenance purposes up there. And down below underneath, we also have a sewer hose holder, so you can store that while traveling. We have this really nice LED light over here. It has got an on-off switch on the outside by the dump station, so you can see what's going on even if it's dark outside. This is a 30 amp unit, and it comes with a 25-foot detachable power cord there. As we move to the front of the camper, we have your cable connection. So if you're at a campground, you can simply hook up right there and utilize the cable. We have your low pressure outside shower with hot and cold water down here. It's got a coil hose sprayer that'll come out. We have your city water connection. So if you're at a campground, you hook up your water hose here and that will pressurize the lines for you. If you're gonna be dry camping or boondocking, you can fill up the fresh water tank. Then you would turn on your water pump to use the water you already have stored on board. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater. It is gas only since it's on-demand, but it uses very little gas. It's only gonna be using gas when you're running hot water. So it's been a really nice feature that we've added here. That concludes the outside walkthrough of our 27RR Black Label, and now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice that we have the Murphy bed, Up front here, very large dinette in the slide room. We'll get a nice overview of the camper here. We have your entertainment center and then the kitchen area here. And as we get started, we'll get started right up top here. We have kind of your main control panel, which is also Bluetooth, so you can sync your phone to it and run some of the systems off your phone. But your slide room and awning are here, and then your lights, your water pump, and you can see how full and empty your tanks are. In the kitchen, they really have a lot of LED lights in here. As you can see underneath the cabinet there, it lights up very well. Overhead cabinets, the microwave with your range vent, which will vent to the outside. Very large kitchen window in here. Nice counter space. We have your drawers down below here. And then underneath the sink, we have more cabinetry as well. With the Black Label package, we get this solid surface countertop. The sink comes with the covers as well, so you can use that as prep space if you're not cooking. Large farmhouse style sink. We have the high-rise faucet, which also comes with the pull-out sprayer as well. 3-burner stove with the oven. And again, that also has a cover on it, so you can use that as prep space. Down below, we have your furnace. Underneath the refrigerator, we have your breakers and fuses on the left-hand side there. On the right, the red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch that will kill all 12-volt power to your battery. We have a voltmeter and your carbon monoxide detector. This is an 11 cubic foot refrigerator. It is 12 volt only, which is why we have the juice pack on here, so you can run that while traveling down the road. This is also more of a residential size refrigerator, extremely large in size, very deep since it's gas only. Excuse me, since it's 12 volt only, it does not need the same ventilation that the gas ones do, so we can get a lot of extra room in there for you. With the entertainment center, we have storage here, open face cabinet. We have your stereo with AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible as well, so you can sync your phone to it and play your favorite music that way. We have the entertainment center up top, TV connections up there. A little hard to see, but the speakers do light up blue in here. And also over on the left-hand side there, we have your subwoofer that is included as well. Digital thermostat, that'll run your AC and furnace for you. And now we'll step through, take a look at the bathroom area here. In the bathroom, we have your medicine cabinet and a really nice size vanity as well. Goes wall to wall, lots of counter space. We have a 110 outlet, light switch, and then also where you will adjust the heat for your on-demand water heater. Large single bowl sink there. Storage down below, as you can see with the double doors. And then we will come in here and take a look at the shower area. We have a nice rectangle shower here. Skylight right up above it. We have the curtain that pulls across. You can see also with the Black Label package, you get this shower head, which has the rainfall, the handle, and a couple extra sprayers down below there. And then we also have the toilet right beside that. Now we'll move out into the garage. In the garage area, nice and open, lots of garage space. We have this bench seating here, where that table can also go down, and you can make another sleeping area back here with a really big bed, or you can have 2 individual beds back here if you preferred as well. We have your helmet storage up top there with the cargo net, so you can still store stuff while traveling, going down the road with that. Windows on both sides. We have 110 outlets on both sides as well. And here's a nice look at the ramp patio system. Again, nice and open, lets in a lot of sunlight. We also have a screen wall that is included. As you can see, that is rolled up right now. And if you check out our pictures online, you will see that, where you can have that down to keep the bugs out. Over here is going to be one of those ventilation systems. So we have one on the other side as well. You can open that up for the cross ventilation. And we have your TV bracket in the corner here with the connections up top. So you could bring a TV out here as well. As we head back through to the inside in the bathroom, I did want to point out that we have the Max Air vent fan. So you can see that up top. It is the big one, so lots of airflow through there. As we head back to the main living room area, we have the large U-shaped dinette, which will also turn into another sleeping area. And you can really sit 6 people comfortably there. Each drawer underneath is a full-length pull-out drawer. Lots of storage, and then underneath the middle bench in the back is also storage. Just a little bit tougher to get to. We have your zebra blind in the slide out here. That can be darkened completely like it is or partially open to let in some sunlight. A 12-volt charge port in the corner there. We have a blue LED accent light up top here. As we move up to the bedroom, you'll notice on the ceiling we do have a sunroof. Or I'm sorry, a skylight here rather, with the blind that you can close that off as well. We have overhead storage on both sides. You have hanging storage on both sides as well. And then there's also going to be 110 outlets and 12-volt charge ports on both sides of the bed. The other bracket that's down there is actually for a portable speaker. You can purchase that separately. And you would charge it right there. Again, with the 110 and 12-volt chargers right there. And I'm going to show you how the Murphy bed works here in just a second. But before we do that, as you're walking into the camper, you can see we have another light that goes down there that says Black Label. And that would actually read correctly as you're walking in the door there. Here's a look at the Murphy bed as it is in the couch position. I'm going to go ahead and pause this and I'll show you what it looks like with the Murphy bed out. And as you can see, here is the Murphy bed with it completely folded out. The couch lays flat and the mattress comes back out. And right up above that, we have your reading lights or an accent light. As you can see, you can have it either way. So you can have that blue or white for a reading light there. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the 27RR Black Label. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.